Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can force allow apps on external storage on Android. So you can access developer option first by tap about phone. Then you can tap on builder, build number, tap repeatedly to activate developer option. Here you can tap additional settings, and then you can try to tap developer option now become accessible. You can scroll down and force allow apps on external storage. This one, force allow app on external storage, make any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. So if you turn this on, Android apps can choose whether or not they can be installed on external storage, usually the microSD card slot with manifest setting. But this option overrides that. Changing this and moving unsupported apps to external storage could cause strange behavior, so it's probably best to leave this alone. But if you want to, you can turn this on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.